and righteousness as a mighty stream. Then we say, to God be the glory for the great things he has done. To God be the glory for justice. To God be the glory for liberty. For God be the glory for rights for every human being on planet Earth, specifically in these United States of America. Men, women, boys, girls, whatever the ethnic background you may be, we can all be together. We can all join together, and we can all fight for the justice that each and every person in this country deserves to have by virtue of being birthed here or by virtue of being a naturalized citizen in this country. We can fight for justice, but we must fight. We cannot stand still. We cannot just put our head down in the sand. We cannot think someone else is going to do it. Our youngest can fight. Our oldest can fight. All of us can work towards this goal, because justice is for everybody, not just some. Liberty is for everybody, not just some. Happiness is for everybody, not just some. Security is for everybody, not just some. We are in the greatest nation on planet Earth, and every person in this room and every person in our nation deserves to have the greatness that this nation affords